Understanding, mark my words, a phrase guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, mark my words. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, read in books, or encountered in daily conversations. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the cultural nuances of English. So, let's explore what "mark my words" really means and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. The phrase, "mark my words," is used to emphasize that what the speaker is about to say is important and should be remembered or taken seriously. It's often used when the speaker is very confident about their prediction or statement, almost as if saying, "Remember this, because it's going to happen or it's true." For example, imagine a teacher saying, "Mark my words, if you study hard, you will succeed." Here, the teacher emphasizes the importance of hard work leading to success. "Mark my words" has an interesting origin. It dates back to times when literacy wasn't common, and making a mark was a way of signing or acknowledging something important. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical phrase in English. In modern usage, it's often used in a warning or predictive context. For example, a parent might say to a child, "Mark my words, playing video games all day won't get you good grades." Here, it's a warning about the consequences of certain actions. Let's see how versatile this phrase can be. 1. In a promise, "Mark my words, I will help you achieve your goals." 2. In a threat, "Mark my words, if you don't return my book, you'll regret it." 3. In a prediction, "Mark my words, this team will win the championship." Notice how the tone and intention change with the context, yet the core emphasis of the phrase remains strong. When using "mark my words," remember, it's best used in formal or semi-formal situations. Ensure that what follows is a strong statement or prediction. Use it sparingly to maintain its impact. "Mark my words" is a powerful phrase in the English language, conveying certainty and emphasis. Whether you're making a prediction, a promise, or issuing a warning, this phrase can add weight to your words. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding and using "mark my words" effectively. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.